states there.
Sa tatra tishtati.
Tishtati means to stay. So it is pratikshate. Pratikshate, like this.
Pratikshati.
So it is A and it is Atmanipadi. Don't ask me about why A, so that we will learn later. It says something different. So the easiest way to remember is Prati
Cham.
Sham
Karoti.
Karoti. Yeah. Pratiksham Karoti.
Diksham karoti.
Mala walks towards she goat. She goat means Aja. The lady.
Mala ajam prati chalati.
Okay, so Naresh ji, again repeat.
Mala ajam prati chalati.
Okay. Mala Ajam Prati Chalati. She touches the she goat.
Ajam Sprishyati.
Okay, Rupa ji again.
Sa Ajam Sprishyati.
Shovanam Sa Ajam Sprishati. The she goat and Mala sit on both sides of temple.
So this one's going to be
Shrimati ji?
Aja mala cha mandiram
Ubhayataha.
Upavishtataha.
Very good. Sa Mala, Aja
Ja.
Mala cha Mandiram Ubhayataha Upavishataha. So there is another word for sitting, and that is Sidataha.
Siddhanti.
So you can say Sidataha or Upavishataha, both of them are correct.
Okay.
Next, where does the girl come from? Senji, yes.
Balikaah kutah agachati.
Balika no visarga, Balika.
Balika kutah agachati.
Shovanam, very good, very good.
The girl
comes from there. Okay. Ranjana ji.
Balika tataha agachati.
Balika tataha agachati. Okay, good. So
one question in number 13. Sa ajam sprushati or sparshati?
This is Sprishati. Is it?
Yes.
Can you say it?
Sprishati, yes.
Sprishati. Okay. So make it clear. It's a very interesting topic. A problem of re-sound. Re. Although now most of people don't know how to really pronounce this sound. So there are different versions we have. Because in re, there is a consonant sound that is ra. You know, the consonant is dependent and all these things. And ra is pronounced in a peculiar way. It sounds like vowel. And that should not be like a, e, or u. But that because it's very complicated, so most of people either when they say ru, they pronounce either ri or ru or ra. In all the south states, including western India states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, including Odisha, so they pronounce it as ru. Samskruta, sprushati, sprushati. But in North India, they so when South or Western Indian people pronounce it as ru, Samskruta, sprushati. North India adapt it ri, Sanskrit, rishi, sprishati, like this. And even those northwestern Indians, like if you go to Punjab, Pakistan, Afghanistan, towards like that side, so they don't pronounce ri or ru, they pronounce it ra. Sanskrit, Rashi, Sparshati. So that's how this is a confusion. So many people are asking which is the correct way to pronounce it. So there are two ways. You can say all the three ways are wrong, or you can say all the three ways are right. Because all three of them are not actually correct. But because all three of them are popular, so you cannot say them wrong. So only thing is, whichever way you pronounce it, that is correct. So you may ask me what actually
Yeah.
Ri or Ru or Ra should be pronounced.
Yes.
So I
what is
can
the
try myself, but in my day-to-day life, it's not possible. But the Ri sound should be like R.
correct?
And that R, sometimes it, for some people, it may sound like a Ri. For some people, it's like Ra. Just like the physics people, when they check the what is the actual state of atoms. Some people say it is a wave. Some people say it is a particle. So they found the quantum theory. So Re is about the some linguistic quantum theory is applicable here.
But Acharya ji, the correct
Sprushati.
for Sanskrit.
Sprushati is the correct.
Prashati.
Sprushati.
I told you which is the correct. All are correct, all are wrong. So,
Okay.
so because if you are familiar with Sprushati, that is correct. If you are familiar with Sprishati, that is correct.
My confusion was between Sparshati and Sprushati. Sparshati.
You are asking about this Sparsha.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So see, Sparsha is a noun, that is correct. But as a verb, it's not Sparshati, it is Sprushati or Sprushati. Anyway, you can say.
Okay.
And Sparsha is a noun like Hasati.
Asati.
Hasati is a verb, but Hasaha. Hasa is a noun.
Oh, right.
Pathati is a verb. Pathaha is a noun.
Correct.
Is it not? So that's how. Okay, Senji.
आचार्य जी जैसे वर्ड है कृष्णा कृष्णा जो भी हम बोलते हैं बट इन mantras the pronunciation is very important, uchcharan. So what is the correct answer for
See,
this you can give us?
Again, I am repeating because the real sound of Re is almost vanished. It is fine if you are saying Rish, Re
Okay.
or a Ru,
Okay.
that's not problem.
Okay.
But what is the actual problem in Krishna is,
Ji.
and that is Krishna.
Yeah. Krishna.
Krishna means Draupadi.
Oh my God. Yes.
And Krishna means Sri
Krishna.
Krishna. So
Yeah.
when you say Hare Krishna, so here Krishna, there is no Krishna, feminine Krishna.
Yeah.
So it is Krishna means Draupadi. So be careful, don't to say Krishna and Rama. And Rama means beautiful lady.
Wow.
And Ram means the Ram, the Sri Ram. And Rama, you may ask me why then this. So Sanskrit has two types of problems,
Ji.
pronunciation wise. The first
Ji.
type of problem is in Indian subcontinent. Every state has its own type of language, culture, and they pronounce Sanskrit the way their original language is. But Sanskrit has another aspect that is non-Indian. Many non-Indian people also very much
Ji. Ji.
learned out Sanskrit.
Ji.
So
Ji.
when they, just like Europeans, when started to learn Sanskrit, so it's very difficult for them to pronounce the proper A. Bala, Surya, Krishna. Like North Indian people pronounce it Ram.
Yeah.
They drop the A.
Ji.
Most of the Sanskrit scholars from South, they don't say Krishna, they say Krishna. But those
Krishna.
who are not Sanskrit scholars, South Indians, and or the Europeans,
Ji.
they have some problem to say the Hraswa A sound, the small A sound. Instead of A, they started to say A. The A ending words are pronounced in three ways. That's all interesting thing.
Okay.
Like North Indians sound is Ram, Bal, Kapil. Dev,
जी
drop the A. Then European and South Indian style is Rama, Krishna, Deva, Kapila, Veda. And there is another very interesting also a skill, and that is Bengali and Southeastern Asia, like Bengal, Myanmar, and etc. Thai. They said Ramu, Krishna,
oh yeah yeah Ramo.
Madhavo. So that is the influence of Eastern India. Assam, Bengal, Odisha, and close to that Myanmar, Thai, they use O sound instead of A. So it's a linguistic problem. Don't worry about that you are wrong and he is wrong. It's a
Okay.
depends on different type of geographical area. That's how the pronunciation change. Yeah. So sometimes your own mother tongue or the language, you are very much familiar with that. That influence you to how to say the Sanskrit. And it's a very simple way to understand the way English is spoken. The Indian English, Australian English, British English. You ask a French person to speak in English, you see how the French person is speaking English, how Chinese people are speaking English. So the same thing happens to Sanskrit. So that's okay. That is the nature of language. Everyone cannot be expert on every single accent. If you are good to use the proper accent, that's fine, but not okay, no problem. Okay, so we come to the point.
Yeah.
From whence the girl comes, from there the boy also comes. So how to make it in Sanskrit?
यतः बालिका आगच्छति ततः बालकः अपि आगच्छति.
अतिशोभनम. यतः बालिका आगच्छति ततः बालकः अपि आगच्छति. Next, the boy and the girl go to the garden.
बालः बालिका च उद्यानं
बालकः
गच्छतः.
So there are two options: बालः बाला च or बालकः बालिका च उद्यानं गच्छतः. The girl falls.
बालिका पतति.
Adati, Shovanam. She sits down.
Sa
उपविशति.
Upavishati. Shovanam.
उपविशति.
Sa upavishati.
उपविशति. और
सीदति.
Sidati. Sidati. Okay. So everyone now, I think, little bit familiar with the 7 cases. Actually 8 cases, but the 8 cases is called vocative is just to address someone. Mainly 7 cases. Prathama, just repeat with me, say Prathama,
प्रथमा
Prathama,
द्वितीया
Dvitiya, Tritiya,
Tritiya,
Chaturthi,
Chaturthi,
चतुर्थी
Panchami,
Panchami,
Shashti,
Shashti,
Saptami.
सप्तमी.
These are our vibhaktis.
Saptami.
Prathama is used as a subject when the word is in subject. Dvitiya is used for
object.
object,
Tritiya is used for instrument.
instrumental,
Chaturthi is used for
receiver,
receiver. Panchami is used for
Pancha
the
separation.
point of separation.
Badam separation.
Shashti is used to show position or relationship. And Saptami is location. And that location is the place and time. There are 2 types of locations. And Sambodhana is address. Okay. So last time we learned A ending, A ending, E ending. The charts are with you, and some of charts I will share with you later. Today we learn about I and U. The whole chart of 7 cases, I and U. So this is the chart. So everyone will repeat after me. Aham, avam, vayam.
Aham, avam, vayam.
So this is Prathama Vibhakti. I, both of us, we are. Next, Mam, avam, asman.
Mam,
Avam,
Asman,
To me, to both of us, to all of us. मया अवाभ्याम अस्माभिः
मया
आभ्याम
अस्माभिः
Asmavi.
by me, by both of us, by all of us, or through me, through all of two of us, or through all of us. Okay. Mahyam avabhyam asmabhyam.
मह्यम् आवाभ्याम् अस्माभ्यम्
For me, for both of us, for all of us. Mat avabhyam asmat.
मत
आवाभ्याम् अस्मत्
From me, from both of us, from all of us. Mama avayoho asmakam.
मम आवयोः अस्माकम्
अस्माकम्
Mama, mine, avayoho of both of us, asmakam of all of us are ours. Mai avayoho asmasu.
मयि
मयि
आवयोः
अस्मासु
In me, in both of us, in all of us. Okay, in, on, above, at, all these are you can use here. Like on me, at me, in me, above me. In the same way, avayoho and asmasu. So now, okay, we can practice 2-3 sentences, then we will go to the you, the tvam. So make some sentences. The chart is here. Aham griham gacchami. Ramaha mam pashyati. Do you understand? Ramaha mam pashyati. What does it mean?
sees me
He sees me. Ram sees me.
Ram sees me
Me. Okay. Balakah maya sah khadati.
बालक हमारे साथ
boy
Yeah. The boy is eating with me.
with me
with me. Yes.
Mahyam. Tvam mahyam bhojanam dadasi.
तुम मुझको भोजन
Dete ho. You
देते हो.
you give me food. I am the receiver. Okay.
Yes.
Mat dhanam naya. Take the money from me. Mat dhanam naya. Naya means take. Take the
Yeah.
money from me.
Yeah.
Okay. Mama. Mama griham atra asti. My house is here.
Here.
My house is here.
Atra asti. Suppose mama hastaha. Is
My
my
hand.
hand.
मेरा हाथ.
Mama pustakam.
my
My
book
book.
पुस्तक.
Mama pustakam. The word you should remember mama. Mine. Is it okay?
Mine.
So, okay, tell me one word that is yours. Tell me one sentence using mine. My house, my book. Yeah, Prakash ji.
Mama Hasta.
Mama hasta. Srimati ji, what do you want to say?
Pen, my pen.
Lekhani, lekhani.
लेखनी.
Mama Lekhani.
Mama lekhani. Ranjana ji.
मम गृहं बोस्टन् नगरे अस्ति.
Shovanam. Mama gruham Boston nagare asti. Shovanam.
Mam Netram.
Mama netram. Shovanam. Mama netram Kapil ji.
मम पुस्तकम् अत्र अस्ति
Mama pustakam atra asti. Okay, Lakshman ji.
इदं पुस्तकं मम अस्ति.
Shovanam. This book is my book.
Mama namah Shivika.
Mama nama Shivika. Shovanam.
mama दूरदर्शनम् अस्मि
Asti.
अस्ति
So you are saying I have a TV. Well,
Yes.
Doordarshan. Okay, good. Rajiv ji.
मम पुत्र माम पश्यति.
Very good. Good sentence. Long sentence. Mama putraha mam pashyati. My son looks at me. Good. And Rupa ji, you are done?
No.
Boliye, boliye.
Idam na mama.
Very good. This is not mine. Idanna mama. This is not mine. This is the message of Yajna. Good. And Senji.
मम मुखम.
Mama mukham. Yes, mama mukham. Mama mukham shovanam. Okay, so now we'll practice the other one, that is mai, है ना? Mai avayo asmasu. हे प्रभु मई सद्बुद्धिम ददातु. O God, please bestow good wisdom in me. है ना? So instead of dadatu, you have to say dadhatu.
Dadhatu.
Everybody, one interesting thing, you know, dadati to
Mhm.
give,
Yeah.
dadhati to hold or to bestow, to hold. So there is a very good shloka in Sanskrit. Can you say the and say the?
Dha.
So the is very polite and very soft sound,
Yeah.
and the is little strong and very heavy sound.
Yabi style.
So in our Sanskrit, one Niti Shastrakar said, the writer of Niti Shloka, those who dadati, their heart will be the soft,
Soft.
and those who dadhati, they will be hard-hearted.
Receive.
Those who hold the wealth, they are
Okay.
egoistic. है ना? Ego, hard mind. And those who dadati give, they will be, their personality will be soft, the.
Oh.
So the dadati and dadhati, the difference only da and the. Dadhati to hold, dadati to give. Eh?
Oh, wow.
Very good. So I just say, hey Prabhu, O God, mai in me, buddhim dadhatu. Bestow the buddhi. Buddhi means intellect. Okay. So now we learn the Yushmat Shabda. Yushmat means you. Just repeat after me. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam.
Tvam, yuvam, yuyam.
Tvam, yuvam, yushman.
Vam, Yuvam,
Yuvam,
Yushman.
Tvaya, yuvabhyam, yushmabhihi.
Tvaya,
Yuvabhyam,
Yushmabhihi.
Tubhyam, yuvabhyam, yushmabhyam.
Tubhyam,
Yuvabhyam,
Yushmabhyam.
Yushmabhyam.
Tvat, yuvabhyam, yushmat.
Tvat,
Yuvabhyam,
Yushmat.
Tava, yuvayoho, yushmakam.
Tava,
Yuvayoho,
Yushmakam.
Yushmakam.
Tvai, yuvayoho, yushmasu.
Tvai,
Yuvayoho,
Yushmasu.
Yushmasu.
Okay, so now we learn the meaning of all these 7 cases. You, tvam, yuvam, yuyam. It is you both, you all. Tvam, yuvam, yushman. To you, to both of you, to all of you. Tvaya, yuvabhyam, yushmabhi. By you, through you, with both of you, with all of you. Tubhyam, yuvabhyam, yushmabhyam. For you, for both of you, for all of you. Tvat, from you, and what will be the Dvitiya Dvivachan?
From both of you.
From both of you, and
From
Yushma,
all of you.
From all of you.
from all of you. Tava is your,
Yours.
Yuvayoho,
Both of yours.
Yours.
of both of you,
Of both of you.
and Yushma come of all of you.
Of all of you.
Tvai, yuvayoho, yushmasu.
In, at, from.
In
Yeah, in
above,
or at or on you, yuvayoho, in both
In
of
and-
you, in all
Both
of
of
you.
us.
all of you.
So make some sentences using Yushmat Shabda. Aham Suryaha Asmi. Tvam Kaha Asi.
Ranjana Asmi.
Aham Ranjana Asmi. Okay, second case. Aham Swam Pashyami. What does it mean?
I
I
see you.
see you.
I see you or I look at you. Okay,
Yeah.
can you make some other sentence using Tvam, you, to you? Ramaha Tvam Prati Gacchati. What does it mean?
Ram
Rama
goes
coming
to
towards
you.
you.
Jata.
Yes, Rama coming towards you or goes towards
Goes
you.
to you.
Okay, clear? Okay, now tritiya vibhakti. Practice it. Tvaya yuvabhyam yushmabhihi.
Tvaya
Tvaya yuvabhyah
yuvabhyam
Yam.
yushmabhihi.
yushmabhihi.
So tritiya vibhakti, with, by, through. Take an example. Aham tvaya saha khadami.
I eat
I will
with
eat
you.
with you.
तुम्हारे
I
साथ
eat
खाता
with
हूँ
you. Nareshah tvaya saha gacchati.
Naresha goes with you.
With you.
Naresha goes with you. Good. Okay. So now chaturthi. Say tubhyam yuvabhyam yushmabhyam.
Tubhyam
Tubhyam
yuvabhyam
Yam.
yushmabhyam.
So now tubhyam yuvabhyam yushmabhyam. So it is fourth case. Okay, take an example. Rajivah tubhyam dhanam dadati.
Rajiv gives dhan to you.
Yeah, Rajiv gives money to you. So here, because of giving act, so receiver will be in fourth case. So it is tubhyam.
Tubhyam.
Clear? Pita tubhyam vastram anayati.
Give clothes.
Father goes to get clothes for you.
Word by word.
Gives.
Pita tubhyam vastram anayati. Anayati means
Brings.
Brings.
Brings. The father brings
The father
Brings clothes.
for you.
clothes for
for
you.
you.
For you.
For you. For
For you.
tubhyam. Fourth case. For you. Is it clear? So now fifth case. Twat. Twat yuvabhyam yushmat. From you. From both of you. Okay. So now fifth case. Twat. Twat yuvabhyam yushmat. From you. From both of you. From all of you. Can you make a sentence in English? That's how we can make in Sanskrit. Or if you are making in Sanskrit, that's fine. That's absolutely fine.
I get a book from you.
I get a
Book from you.
good. Make a Sanskrit. Make in Sanskrit. I get a book from you. It's
Aham tubhyam
not tubhyam ne twat twat. Aham
Aham
twat
Pustakam
Pustakam
anayami.
anayam.
anayami.
Okay. Again, I am repeating. Listen carefully. Aham twat pustakam anayami. Anayami means taking or receiving. Aham twat mala from you. Is it clear? One sentence more using fifth case in English. Okay, Rajna.
I learned Sanskrit from you.
Okay, good. I learn Sanskrit from you. Make in Sanskrit.
Aham
Aham
Sanskritam
Tvat Sanskritam patami.
patami.
Very good. Very good. Aham tvat Sanskritam patami.
Patami.
So I learn Sanskrit from you. Tvat. Everyone is clear?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
What?
Okay. So now, sixth case. Tava yuvayoho yushmakam.
Tava yuvayoho yushmakam.
Your, of both of you, of all of you. Mama nama Surya Narayana. Tava nama
Tava
Prakashaha. Mama griham Houston Nagare. Tava griham
griham
Canada Deshe. Okay. Mama vastram idam mama vastram asti tat tava vastram asti. You make some sentences. Mama tava. Senji.
आचार्य जी ऐसा बोल सकते हैं मम नाम सेना किम तम नाम
मम नाम सेनः अस्ति किं तव नाम तव नाम
तव नाम
तव नाम
मम नाम सूर्यः अस्ति तव नाम किम् अस्ति
मम नाम लक्ष्मण अस्ति तव नाम किम अस्ति
मम नाम सरोज अस्ति तम नाम लक्ष्मण
तव नाम किम अस्ति आप और किसी को क्वेश्चन पूछ लीजिए
तम नाम किम अस्ति
हाँ कोई बताइए कौन बताएगा अच्छा इंदु जी प्लीज
मम नाम इंदु
अस्ति
अस्ति तव नाम किम अस्ति
किम अस्ति शोभनम नरेश जी
मम नाम नरेश अस्ति तव नाम किम् अस्ति?
शोभना शिविका जी हाँ।
मम नाम शिविका अस्ति तव नाम
किम अस्ति?
किम अस्ति?
किम अस्ति?
हाँ, किम means what? Okay.
What?
श्रीमती जी
मम नाम श्रीमती अस्ति
अस्ति
तव नाम किम अस्ति?
हाँ, शोभनम कपिल जी
मम नाम कपिल अस्ति तो नाम किम अस्ति? तब मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ, ये तो है या तब?
प्रैक्टिस विद मी तब
मम नाम कपिल अस्ति तब नाम किम अस्ति?
किम अस्ति? शोभनम
मम नाम रूपा अस्ति तव नाम किम अस्ति?
किम अस्ति? शोभनम राजीव जी
मम नाम राजीव अस्मि
अस्ति
मम नाम राजीव अस्ति। ये अस्ति क्यों होगा यहाँ पे, अस्मि क्यों नहीं होगा?
हाँ, गुड क्वेश्चन। अच्छा, इसका हिंदी में या इंग्लिश में बताइए। ओके, मम नाम राजीवः, इसका इंग्लिश करिए। माई नेम
इज राजीव।
सो व्हिच वर्ड इज द सब्जेक्ट?
माई
name, not my, because when you are using my, it is in sixth case, it cannot be subject. So name is the subject, so verb follows subject, because the name is the third person, so asti. जब आप कहेंगे अहम राजीवः अस्मि, here aham is subject, so asmi. Always remember, है ना? You need to find the subject, means the doer of verb. In this sentence, the doer of verb is name, and what is it doing? Nothing, existing. Nama asti. The name is means existing. Is it okay? Clear?
जी।
आचार्य जी एक शंका है। किम अस्ति, इसको हम ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं? किम अस्ति?
वो तो absolutely, why not? तो हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, नेकी और पूछ
नहीं, I wanted to make sure.
Yes, absolutely. किम अस्ति, अहम अस्मि, you know?
Yeah.
अहम अस्मि. So we will learn all these grammatic sandhis later, but today I will take 2 minutes more to tell something about the swara sandhi. We have learned the savarna sandhi, means unity between the same vowels, and we have just picked only one example, that is a. Okay, vidya, alaya, vidyalaya, ityadi. Today we learn all the 3 other vowels. E. Okay, u. Ri. Okay, take some examples. Cha, what is the last letter of cha? What is the first letter of a?
Chapi.
Cha plus api is chapi. Okay, lata api. Look at here, a plus a. Here it is a plus a. Now a plus a. Daya plus anandah. Dayanandah. Mura arihi. So here it is a and a. Is it clear? A. Is it clear? So now come to the E. E. Ravi, Icha.
Ravi,
what is the last letter of Ravi?
E.
Okay, sure.
E.
So Ravi, E plus E. Ravicha. Kavi plus Isha. E plus E will become Kavisha. Lakshmi and plus Indra.
Lakshmindra. Pari plus Iksha.
Pariksha.
Kavi plus Icha. So, okay, Ravi
What does Iksha mean? Iksha.
Iksha.
What does that mean?
Iksha means to see. Iksha root means to see, like pashyati. But there is also another important, interesting thing we learn later. One verb, when connected with a prefix, it changes its meaning. Suppose ikshate, iksha means to see. When we are using prati, it becomes pratiksha, it means to wait.
To it.
When we are using pariksha, it means to examine. Okay. When we are using samiksha, it means to assessment.
Yeah.
So that's how there are hundreds of other words can be made using just different prefix. But the meaning of the original iksha is to see. Here it is pariksha. आप सब जानते हैं हिंदी में परीक्षा में टेस्ट
एग्जाम।
आचार्य जी प्रक्रिया शब्द भी संधि छेद है प्रक्रिया।
हाँ, उसमें संधि तो नहीं, पर उसमें प्रीफिक्स है प्रक्रिया। क्रिया मीन्स वर्क और एक्ट। प्र उपसर्ग, व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग प्र विथ क्रिया, it become process.
Yeah, prakriya.
In process also there is act, but that act is something different. So that is called prakriya. Kriya, act, prakriya, process. We can conclude it here. Maybe next I will share with you all the PowerPoints. You can see yourself. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और वीडियो अच्छा लगे लाइक भी जरूर करें।